Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. In this lecture, we are going to learn about File menu in OpenShot. File menu in OpenShot has total 8 commands, out of which import files you have already learned in the previous lecture. Choose profile. We will learn this command in another lecture. Next command that we have over here is the quit command. This command helps you to exit OpenShot. So once I click on quit command, OpenShot closes. So let's relaunch OpenShot. Now what we are going to learn is the new project command over here. Once you start OpenShot, you already create a new project file over here. As you can see, we have an untitled project file over here. Next command that we have over here is the recent projects file. It gives you a list of all the files which you have been working recently. Next command that we have over here is save project and save project as command. So let's get started. As you can see, I have 3 files over here. Out of these 3 files, 2 files are audio clip and the third file is a video clip. What we are going to do is we are going to create 2 different videos having the same video clip but different audio clip. And we will be making use of the save project and the save project as command. So let's get started. First, this is an untitled project over here. You'll go to File, you click on Save Project, open the folder wherein you want to save this project. We will give it a name as Video 1. Click on the Save button. Now you can see we have successfully saved the project over here, Video 1. Click on the video clip, drag it on the first track that you see. Select one of the audio files, click and drag it on the second track. Take your playhead at the end of the video clip. Select your audio clip, right click, say slice and select keep left side. Now as you can see, my audio clip is exactly the same length as my video clip. What I'll do next is I'll click on File, okay. I'll go to Export Video, command over here, or you can say choose the Export Video command from the toolbar. So go to File, click on Export Video, give it a name, choose the folder wherein you want to save the file. It should be an MP4 format. I'm creating HD videos, so my profile for the same is 1280 into 720. Don't worry, we will discuss the profile in detail in another lecture. And the quality for the same is high. Click on Export Video. Once the video is exported, we will save the same file with a different name and we will delete this audio and replace the audio with another audio over here. Go ahead and click on Ctrl and S. Click on File, click on Save Project As. Give it a name as Video 2. Click on the Save Project button. Next, now what you'll do is delete this audio over here. Select another audio, place it on the second track. Again do the same. Right click, go to Slice and say keep left hand side. Again export video. Video 2, the same procedure that we did for the first video, and click on Export Video button. In File menu, we have successfully learned the new project, open project, recent projects, and all these commands except for choose profile, which we will be doing in detail in another lecture. So let's see the two videos that we have created. Let's go ahead and play the second video. That's all for this lecture. Thank you so much. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.